Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, karibu sana. If you are a returning subscriber, then so much. Keep watching. I have already done my eyebrows. Today I want to show you how to achieve the look. As you can see from the title, I want us to achieve a green eyeshadow. I'll be showing you how to do a perfect eyeshadow for beginners. I'm doing it simple so that everyone can get it. I want you to understand everything. Yes, those of you who have problems in eyeshadow doing, but I'm here for you today. I'll be showing you how step by step. I'll be using this cell tape to line my edges so that it can shape the way the eyeshadow will come out. This video is for you beginners. I'm showing you how to achieve simple eyeshadow. Then I'll be starting with the transitioning shade, and I will be using the dark brown and light brown. I'm starting with light brown. I will do it at the top so that I follow it with the darker brown shade, transition shade, before doing the cut crease. This is very simple, just blending. So blend everything nicely and gently so that everything can be at par. So before applying the dark brown shade, you have to make sure that everything else is super perfect. Then apply the darker shade. The darker shade will appear almost where you are doing your cut crease. Where you are doing your cut crease, be simple, take your time, and I know everything will be alright. Then blend the two shades together so that it can bring out that nice look. Can you see what I'm saying? Can you see it? I hope you can see. You can even see where I'm going to draw my cut crease. So then I will be using a lighter concealer to line out the cut crease so that everything plus this light concealer will make the eyeshadow pop out. I want it to pop out. So when doing your cut crease, always use a lighter shade concealer. Do that to all eyes. What you do to one eye, do it also to the other eye so that everything can rhyme. Just try to be perfect. Even if you fail one time, the next time when you try it, you will be at another level. So I'll be applying my green shade at the edge, then bring it to the middle, then apply the next shade. I didn't think the green color would come out that nicely. It's so cute. I was enjoying as I was doing this eyeshadow. I don't know whether you can see what I was saying. This was super cute. Very smart. And my eyeshadow is in form of powder. I forgot to show you. It's more of powder. That's why I'm using that small brush. You see, there is a lot of fallout, but I will wipe it later. When doing the eyeshadow, it usually looks a bit messy, so crazy, but when you follow the steps, everything comes out nicely. Did you know we were going to achieve this look? Did you? Do you remember where we started? Yeah, it's a step by step. Then take your time and enjoy what you're doing. I'll be lining my waterline with this dark eye pencil. Before applying my mascara, then apply my mascara. It's good when you are applying your eyelashes to always start by applying the mascara, so that when you apply the eyelashes, they can rhyme, they can be dark both, so that you cannot see the eyelashes and everything will look as normal. I will then apply my concealer, where I will be highlighting. Yeah, then blend that nicely. I had already done my foundation, so don't wonder why I didn't apply my foundation. I did it off camera. So now I'm applying the concealer. I'll blend it. You can use your finger to blend it so that you don't leave creases under your eyes. It usually don't look nice, so make sure you blend nicely under your eyes.